So this is how I was able to fix my PlayStation 5 stuck on white light. So the first thing we need to do is to actually click on the power button here on our PlayStation 5, click and hold for about 15 to 30 seconds. So you can see when you hear the second beep, that means that it's going to now turn off, just so you know. But what you also have to do after this is that you have to just wait a couple of seconds before doing it, by the way, but you have to take the cable that goes into PlayStation, so the power cable here. You can see this one right here. Yeah, here, as you can see. So this power cable, you need to basically like unplug it completely and then wait like 3 to 5 minutes. I would say best to just leave it for 5 minutes just to drain all the electricity from it. And then after that, just basically, yeah, you can connect it once again after about 3 to 5 minutes. Better to just wait 5, to be honest. Just plug it back in and then try once again and start up your PlayStation 5. So this actually fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.